Well, we've got a heads up for the Cowtown Marathon tomorrow. A heat advisory is in effect for runners. This is some video we got of runners out there today. There were no problems with heat in today's 5K and 10K. Congratulations to these guys. But the forecast does call for it to be even warmer tomorrow. And the races, of course, are much longer. A half marathon, full marathon, even an ultra marathon. Most runners are probably in bed by now, but if you're going on out there to cheer them on, be sure to help them hydrate. Yeah, Jesse, I'm hoping that the runners are fast asleep, and I'm sure they are all prepared. That's going to be a hot one. As
a fellow runner, fellow, not me, maybe not me. They're your fellow runners.
They are, yes.
Because to me, I think tomorrow morning 55 sounds great, but that's not okay,
I mean, 55 would be great if it stayed 55, but it's going to quickly heat up, and the longer you run, the hotter you get, and when the hotter the temperatures are getting, that's not fun.
And they're out there for hours.
Hours.
So that early morning between midday.
I mean, it'll feel comfortable at 55 when you start, but not for very long.
Okay. Not fellow runners. She's the runner. Y'all are the fellow runner. Let me show you. Okay, so start time at 7. If it could stay 58, it sounds like that'd be great. Unfortunately, it will not. 75 by noon, and it'll certainly be in the 80s shortly thereafter. So we are expecting a very warm Cowtown Marathon, 7 o'clock start time. Not what you expect for February, right? 80s? It's been a very strange February, likely to end up in the top 10 warmest Februaries on record here for DFW. Clear skies again tonight. Tomorrow, 84. That's the high in Fort Worth. So midday temperatures in the middle and upper 70s. Fort Worth climbs to 84 late afternoon. 83 in Dallas. See this? You know, those are creeping close to 90. 88 in Mineral Wells, 87 in Breckenridge. East of the Metroplex, it's upper 70s and lower 80s. But then, this is where we have to talk about 90. 92. It's too early. May 11th is our average first 90-degree day. That's, if you look at the history of DFW in North Texas, you kind of calculate when the first 90-degree days were over all those years. It ends up about May 11th. So 92 in Mineral Wells, 92 in Granbury, way ahead of schedule here, obviously. 89 in Waxahachie, 90 in Dallas. See the record? 90 set back in 1917. So the two records that could be broken or tied as we go through the next 5 days are Monday and Tuesday. And these are not just records that were set a few years ago. These are records that are 107, 106 years old. Look at this. 1917, 1918, record Monday, 90, will be at 90. Tuesday, 87, the record is 85. That's before a cold front comes in. This one is, it's not the strongest. It's not an Arctic blast, but to go from 87 to 58, that'll feel like a sharp cool down. And it does come with some rain chances, but not much. Let me show you. As we get into Monday, we're quiet. We cloud up. We've had so much sunshine lately, right? Tuesday, we cloud up. Wednesday, we're cloudy with a slight chance for showers and storms, mainly in northeastern portions of the area as the cold front moves through. Then a little disturbance behind the front will roll through on Thursday, bringing us another really low chance for a little bit of rain. The severe threat stays to the northeast of Texas, so we're not expecting severe weather here. Arkansas, eastern Oklahoma, up into Missouri and Illinois, then it's even farther east than that into Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Mississippi, and Alabama by the middle part of the week. 55 tonight, mostly clear skies, dry and cool. Tomorrow, 83, sunny, dry, warmer, breezy. There's the 90. Kind of a shock to see it this early, isn't it? But it does get cooler next week, so if you want a little taste of what it should feel like this time of the year, I guess you'll get it for a couple of days. But like we've seen so often this winter, especially February, those little cool downs quickly go back up. We're back into the upper 60s on Friday, 77 next Saturday, Super Tuesday, a slight chance for thunderstorms, highs in the 60s, so it looks like we begin March kind of how we've had most of February, which is above normal.